Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide a photo in Gallery on iOS 18. To hide a photo in Gallery, go to Gallery, then choose a photo you want to hide. You can click on it and then press on these three dots in top right corner and tap on Hide. Or you can quickly hide photos by pressing and holding on them and clicking on Hide. Then let's get out of the library and go to Hidden. Now use Face ID to view this album. Or if it doesn't recognize your face, then enter passcode. And here you can find all of my hidden photos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.